Hello friends, welcome back to our channel for Tech 360. In this video, we are conducting a mock test on General Agriculture Set 2. It consists of 30 MCQs. So watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Tech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Cypress wheat belongs to which group of weeds? Options: A. Grasses, B. Shrubs, C. Sedges, D. All of these. Correct answer: C. Sedges. Question number 2. Directorate of Wheat Research is located at options: A. Hyderabad, B. New Delhi, C. Karnal, D. Bikaner. Correct answer: C. Karnal. Question number 3. AICRP on sugarcane was started in options: A. 1959, B. 1960, C. 1970 to 71, D. 1985 to 86. Correct answer: C. 1970 to 71. Question number 4. Find out the odd one. Options: A. Enam, B. Echopal, C. Eragam, D. Ifko Kisan. Correct answer: D. Ifko Kisan. Question number 5. Largest farmer cooperative organization is dash. Options: A. CRIBCO, B. Cooperative banks, C. IFCO, D. NFL. Correct answer: C. IFCO. Question number 6. Pusa Sindhu Ganga is a variety of options: A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Mustard, D. Tomato. Correct answer: B. Wheat. Question number 7. A value technique in soil science is related to which element? Options: A. Phosphorus, B. Oxygen, C. Potassium, D. Nitrogen. Correct answer: A. Phosphorus. Question number 8. Which of the following elements is absorbed by plant in both anionic and cationic form? Options: A. Calcium, B. Nitrogen, C. Chlorine, D. Cobalt. Correct answer: B. Nitrogen. Question number 9. The seed rate of white jute required for lime sowing per hectare land is dash. Options: A. 6 to 8 kg, B. 10 kg, C. 12 kg, D. 14 kg. Correct answer: A. 6 to 8 kg. Question number 10. Which of the following potato variant is tolerant to frost? Options: A. Kufri Jodi, B. Kufri Sona, C. Kufri Sindhu, D. Kufri Sheetman. Correct answer: D. Kufri Sheetman. Question number 11. The size of a seed drill is expressed by options: A. Amount of seeds sown per unit time, B. Length into width of the machine, C. The number of furrow openers into distance between two furrow openers, D. Area covered per unit time. Correct answer: C. The number of furrow openers into distance between two furrow openers. Question number 12. The size of the planter is given by options: A. Area covered per unit time, B. Number of furrow openers into spacing between them, C. Length into width of the machine, D. Amount of seed sown per unit time. Correct answer: B. Number of furrow openers into space between them. Question number 13. In precision planter, the height of drop of seed from a hopper to ground should be about options: A. 30 cm, B. 25 cm, C. As close to the ground as possible, D. None of the above. Correct answer: C. As close to the ground as possible. Question number 14. The type of furrow opener recommended for use in hard and thrashy ground and also in wet, dry soil in options A. Single disc type, B. Curved runner type, C. Hoe type, D. Stub runner type. Correct answer A. Single disc type. Question number 15. Most suitable furrow opener for seeding in a thrashy and hard seed bed is options A. Hoe type, B. Shovel type, C. Disc type, D. Runner type. Correct answer C. Disc type. Question number 16. Accurate and inclined placement of seeds to provide rows in two perpendicular directions is known as options A. Drilling, B. Planting, C. Precision seeding, D. Check row planting. Correct answer D. Check row planting. Question number 17. Power operated paddy transplanter is being manufactured in India by options A. Escorts Limited, B. Mitsubishi Limited, C. Eicher Tractor Limited, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Mitsubishi Limited. Question number 18. In an offset harrow, the number of gangs is dash. Options A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer B. 2. Question number 19. The recommended peripheral speed of a spike tooth cylinder for a wheat crop is dash meter per second. Options A. Less than 20, B. 20 to 25, C. 25 to 30, D. 30 to 35. Correct answer C. 25 to 30 meter per second. Question number 20. Hand operated sprayers are operated at dash kilogram per centimeter square. Options A. 1 to 7, B. 7 to 10, C. 10 to 20, D. 20 to 25. Correct answer A. 1 to 7 kg per centimeter square. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Also, Unacademy has started free test series for 10th level prelims. The test will be as per the syllabus of 10th level prelims. All questions has been made by the top educators of Unacademy. Detailed explanation will be available at the end of the test. Question number 21. Which of the following is not an agricultural product? Options A. Alum, B. Cotton, C. Jute, D. Rice. Correct answer A. Alum. Question number 22. Crop rotation helps to options A. Lesser use of pesticides, B. Yield more crops, C. Produce a greater choice of plant products, D. Eliminate parasites which have selective host. Correct answer D. Eliminate parasites which have selective host. Question number 23. Plant micronutrient is options A. Carbon, B. Boron, C. Magnesium, D. Sulfur. Correct answer B. Boron. Question number 24. Which gas is released from paddy fields? Options A. Carbon dioxide, B. H2S, C. Methane, D. Ammonia. Correct answer C. Methane. Question number 25. In jute growing areas, the usual alternate crop is options A. Cotton, B. Wheat, C. Sugarcane, D. Rice. Correct answer D. Rice. Question number 26. Neelam is a variety of options A. Grape, B. Papaya, C. Mango, D. Apple. Correct answer C. Mango. Question number 27. Herbicide generally practiced as pre-plant application in soybean is options A. Trifluralin, B. Nitralin, C. Vernolate, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 28. Weedicide used as pre-emergence for controlling weeds in soybean is options A. Chloramben, B. Lanuron, C. Fluorodifen, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 29. Indian Journal of Fertilizer is published by options A. ICAR, B. IFCO, C. FAI, D. NFL. Correct answer C. FAI. Question number 30. Post-emergence herbicide generally used in soybean crop is options A. 2,4-D, B. Chloroxyron, C. Dinosep, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started 45 days crash course for 10th level prelims from 21st of December. In this course, top educators will help you to prepare for LDC prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from this course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.